Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. So in today's video we will see about items of household in America. So if you are new for this channel, please start by subscribe and like my videos. So let's see. So this is the English part and this is Amharic part translation, and this is the pronunciation Amharic in English letters. So this house, it means in Amharic bet. House means in Amharic bet, bet. And door, it means in Amharic ber, Door means in Amharic ber. And window, it means in Amharic መስኮት. Window means in Amharic መስኮት. Window means in Amharic መስኮት. And a table, it means in Amharic ጠረጴዛ። Table means in Amharic ጠረጴዛ. And chair, it means in Amharic ወንበር. Chair means ወንበር. Chair means ወንበር. And bed, it means in Amharic alga. Bed means in Amharic alga. And sofa, it means in Amharic the same pronunciation, sofa. Sofa means sofa. It is the same pronunciation. And lamp, it means in Amharic መብራት. መብራት. Lamp means in Amharic መብራት. And television, it means in Amharic the same pronunciation, television. And carpet, it means in Amharic ምንጣፍ. ምንጣፍ. Carpet means in Amharic ምንጣፍ. And mirror, it means in Amharic መስታወት. Mirror means መስታወት. መስታወት. Mirror means መስታወት. And cup, it means in Amharic ኩባያ. Cup. So like a cup of water. So this cup means in Amharic ኩባያ. Cup means ኩባያ. And plate, it means in Amharic ሳህን. Plate means ሳህን. Plate means ሳህን. And spoon, it means in Amharic ማንኪያ. ማንኪያ. Spoon means ማንኪያ. And fork, it means in Amharic ሹካ. It's a two words. ሹካ. Fork means ሹካ. And knife, it means in Amharic ቢላ. And a pot, it means in Amharic ድስት. Pot means ድስት. Pot means ድስት. And pan, it means in Amharic መጥበሻ. Pan means መጥበሻ. And refrigerator, it means in Amharic fridge. Refrigerator means fridge. And stove, it means in Amharic ምድጃ. Stove means ምድጃ. And washing machine, it means in Amharic ማጠቢያ ማሽን. Washing machine ማጠቢያ ማሽን ወይም ደግሞ or የልብስ ማጠቢያ ማሽን. Washing machine means ማጠቢያ ማሽን. And bucket, it means ባልዲ. Bucket means ባልዲ. And broom, it means in Amharic መጥረጊያ. Broom means in Amharic መጥረጊያ. And a soap, it means in Amharic ሳሙና. Soap means ሳሙና. Towel, it means in Amharic ፎጣ. Towel means in Amharic ፎጣ. And pillow, it means in Amharic ትራስ. Pillow means ትራስ. And blanket, it means in Amharic ብርድ ልብስ. Blanket means in Amharic ብርድ ልብስ. And closet, it means ልብስ መያዣ. ልብስ መያዣ. Closet means ልብስ መያዣ. And shelf, it means መደርደሪያ. መደርደሪያ. Shelf means መደርደሪያ. And clock or watch. clock, it means ساعة. 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 Clock means ساعة. So this is all about the items in the household. So the items in the household in Amharic names. So I think it's easy. So if you try, you will be perfect. So let's see. Let's ask you a questions. So what is shelf? What is shelf? What is shelf in Amharic? What does it mean? Shelf in Amharic. It means مدردرية. 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 Shelf means in Amharic مدردرية. So what is pan? What is pan? What is pan? It means pan, dust. Dust. What is cup? What is cup? Cup. What is cup? What does it mean cup in Amharic? It means kubaya. 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 So what is broom? What is broom? What is broom? So please put your answer in comment section. So thanks for watching my videos. So please subscribe my channel and like my videos, and please share my channel. So see you to another video. Bye.